So salts are the compounds that are formed by the partial or complete replacement of replaceable hydrogen ion of an acid by metallic ion or ammonium ion. Suppose this is acid. Acid is H2SO4. Now this H2SO4 has two replaceable hydrogen atoms in it. ठीक है, तो अगर salt बनाना है तो क्या होगा? These two hydrogen atoms will be replaced by some metallic ion. किसी metallic ion से replace होंगे या फिर किससे replace होंगे? Ammonium ion. Then the compound formed will be called a salt. You can see in this reaction when sodium hydroxide reacts with H2SO4, तो यहाँ ये हाइड्रोजन जो है इसकी जगह पर देखो क्या आ रहा है, यहाँ पर सोडियम के एटम्स आ रहे हैं. सो यही डेफिनेशन में दिया है, सॉल्ट इज अ कंपाउंड फॉर्म्ड बाय पार्शियल और कंप्लीट रिप्लेसमेंट. दिस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज शोइंग पार्शियल रिप्लेसमेंट and this second equation is showing complete replacement of hydrogen atoms with metallic ion or ammonium ion. So when you dissolve this salt in water, it will form two ions, positive ion and negative ion, because it is an ionic compound. So when you dissociate in water, it will give positive ion and negative ion. But positive ion कैसा होगा? Metallic ion. और negative ion कैसा होगा? Non-metallic ion. Now there are different type of salts. Some salts are acidic, some are normal, some are basic, some are double salt, some are mixed salt, and some are complex salts. So first are the acidic salts. First look at the normal salts. Okay, so one example of normal salt is given here, that is sodium sulfate. One more you can take, that is sodium chloride. It is also a normal salt. Normal salt क्या होता है? The salt formed by complete replacement of hydrogen ions of an acid molecule by a basic radical. That salt is called normal salt. जैसे if you look at this salt, ये कौन से acid से बना होगा salt? आप इसको छोड़ के पीछे वाला part देखें, SO4 दिखा है, तो ये कौन से एसिड से बना हुआ है? H2SO4 से. आप इसमें देखो कि H2 की जगह पे क्या आ गया है? Na2. It means both of the hydrogen atoms are completely replaced by metallic atom. So when there is complete replacement of hydrogen atoms, then it is called a normal salt. Second type of salt is called acidic salt. अब एसिडिक सॉल्ट कैसे बनेगा? एसिडिक सॉल्ट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय पार्शियल रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ रिप्लेसेबल हाइड्रोजन आयन ऑफ एन एसिड मॉलिक्यूल बाय अ बेसिक रेडिकल. जैसे NaHSO4 है तो इट इज़ ऑल्सो फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम H2SO4 एसिड. तो H2SO4 में दे आर टू रिप्लेसेबल हाइड्रोजन एटम्स या हाइड्रोजन आयन्स. सो यू कैन सी इन दिस ओनली वन हाइड्रोजन आयन इज रिप्लेस्ड. एक की जगह पर क्या हो गया? सोडियम, एंड द अदर इज हैविंग हाइड्रोजन एटम, वो यहीं पर ही है. तो एग्जाम्पल है NaHSO4. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ सॉल्ट्स आर कॉल्ड एसिडिक सॉल्ट्स. दिस टाइप ऑफ सॉल्ट्स कंटेन अ रिप्लेसेबल हाइड्रोजन एटम इन इट्स मॉलिक्यूल. सो यू कैन सी इट इज प्रेजेंट हियर. And this type of salts exhibit all properties of acids in a solution. Next type of salts are called basic salts. Basic salt, you can see the example here, it is basic copper nitrate. Basic salts are formed by partial replacement of hydroxyl radical of an diacidic or triacidic base with a acidic radical. तो जैसे आप इसको देखो यहाँ पर, ठीक है, दिस सॉल्ट इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम अ बेस. कौन से बेस से बना होगा? कॉपर हाइड्रोक्साइड, राइट? So you know that in copper hydroxide there are two replaceable hydroxide ions, and only one is replaced here with this nitrate ion, other is already present in this base. So this type of salts contain one replaceable hydroxide ion in them. So this type of salts are called basic salt. So normal salt, acidic salt and basic salt. You have to learn these three type of salts with examples. What are they and what are their examples? This should be very clear to you. Now this is given only for the reference. These three: double salts, mixed salts and complex salts. At least you learn examples of these. Double salt is formed by mixing saturated solutions of two simple salts followed by crystallization of the saturated solution. So one example given here of double salt, this is alum, जो फिटकरी यूज करते हैं. This is alum. Formula of alum is K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 whole thrice dot 24 H2O. Second type is mixed salt. There is no general method for formation of this type of salts, but they contain two or more basic radicals or two or more acidic radicals in them. So you can see here sodium and potassium both are present. Sodium and potassium, it means two basic radicals are present here. So the salt that contain two basic radicals or two or more acidic radicals in it, that type of salt is called mixed salt. Third is complex salt. Complex salt is formed by mixing saturated solution of simple salts followed by crystallization of the saturated solution. They contain a simple ion and a complex ion, right? So you look at this example. This is tetramine copper sulfate. So this is the example. You have to learn examples of each type of salts.